really wanted to visit Kyatanamakki Hills, so I could make it only till this far. Very disappointed. Thank you. So a guy helped me take my bike out of it. So finally I'm climbing Kyatanamakki Hills on my bike, thanks to him. This is in no way one man's job if you have a heavy motorcycle. ಇನ್ನು ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? This has to be one of the most difficult off-roads that I had done. ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾ ಅಥವಾ ಕಷ್ಟ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ ಅದೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸೇಫ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ? ಓಕೆ.
ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ರೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ರೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. Whew. Whew. Yes. This is Kyatanamakki. Wow. 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 So finally, after so much of struggle, I'm still feeling breathlessness. I finally made it to Kyatanamakki, but the way down is also very difficult. While I'm here, let's enjoy this beauty here. Just look at this. So this is it. This is it about Kyatanamakki. Now I'm going back. It's gonna be a very, very, very difficult task, but fingers crossed. So after what was one of my toughest off-roads, I finally made it to this view. This is Kyatanamakki, and now the time has come that I have to head back because the way is very difficult. So I want to be back before it gets dark. So just looking at this one last time before I climb down. Let's go. Yeah, sure.
Right.
At a point I thought that today it's waste. Today was wasted because I was not able to climb up. So finally some guy came along and helped me push the bike. Thanks to him, I was able to view this beautiful Kyatanamakki Hills. This was on my mind since a couple of months. I never thought it'll be this difficult. I only saw pictures of motorcycles being at the top, so I thought I can make it too, and finally I did. But if I knew that it's gonna be this difficult, I might not have even attempted this. So sometimes ignorance is a bliss. This has to be one of the toughest off-roads which I did on my Dominar. I think I even did some on Pulsar too, but Pulsar is a different case. The motorcycle is very lightweight and you can easily go through most of such roads, but this one is a bit difficult because of the weight plus and the height and the riding height. So this makes it even more difficult.
One eternity later.
So finally I made it out of you can call it hell, but up there it was heaven. So if I'll show you the kind of off-roading which was done, just look at this. Okay, look at my bike. This looks nice. Now look at this. Look at this. I just got my bike serviced day before yesterday, and this was my first ride after the service. And look what happened already. Oh God. Look at this. So finally, after one hell of a road, I see this tar road. This feels really like a heaven. Oh. I cannot tell you how happy I am and how relieved I feel now. Finally, tar roads. My God. I feel like going and kissing the road. It is so beautiful. Wow. That's all in this video. Hope you liked it. Don't forget to press the like and subscribe button. See you next time. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Peace.